In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bulk email list from Excel to your Gmail account. This process will simplify managing your email contacts and make communication more efficient because, let's face it, handling large email lists can get pretty overwhelming. So, let's get started. First, we need to address the format of your list. Open your spreadsheet in Excel and you're going to save it as a CSV file, which stands for comma separated values. This format is extremely helpful because it's widely accepted across various platforms, making data transfer super seamless. So in Excel, simply go to the File menu, click Save As, and select CSV from the list of available formats to save your file. Now make sure that your CSV file is structured correctly. It's crucial that you have a header row. This means the first row should contain column titles like name and email, and each email address should be in its own individual cell. This step ensures that your data can be easily read and processed when you import it. Double check your document. This could save you quite a bit of time and frustration down the road. Next up, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Look for the Google Apps icon, which is usually found in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Give it a click. This will open up a drop down menu displaying the suite of services offered by Google. From there, select Contacts. Once you've clicked on Contacts, you'll be taken to the Google Contacts main page. This is where all of your contacts are stored and managed. Now it's time to import your CSV. Look to the left sidebar and you'll see an option labeled Import. Click on this and a new window will pop up asking you to select a file. Choose Select File and a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to where you saved your CSV file, select it, and proceed to upload. At this point, Google Contacts might prompt you to map the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Google Contacts. This is about aligning the information from your CSV file with Google's system so that everything is organized correctly. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to ensure that each column from your CSV, like names and emails, maps correctly to Google Contacts fields. Check everything thoroughly to avoid misalignments. Finally, you're ready to click the Import button. Hitting this means your contact list will finally be transferred into your Gmail. In just a few moments, your email list is now accessible directly from your Gmail account, streamlining your work and making your life quite a bit easier. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to import a bulk email list into Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy emailing!